Have you ever pondered the myriad mysteries that our world holds, phenomena that even science can't explain? Welcome to an intriguing exploration of the unknown, a journey that will take us from the depths of the ocean to the farthest reaches of outer space. We've all heard tales of strange occurrences and unexplained phenomena, but few of us realize just how many of these mysteries remain unsolved. From eerie sounds that echo in the night to inexplicable events that have left scientists scratching their heads, our world is teeming with enigmas that defy our understanding. Some are centuries old, others are as recent as yesterday, but all share one thing in common: they challenge our perception of what we believe to be possible. So grab your detective hat and prepare for a thrilling ride into the unknown. Join us now as we delve into the top 10 unexplained phenomena that continue to baffle scientists. At number 10, we venture into the infamous Bermuda Triangle. This enigmatic region, located off the southeastern tip of Florida, has been the subject of countless tales and theories. Bounded by Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico, the Bermuda Triangle spans a staggering 500,000 square miles of ocean. Over the years, it has gained notoriety for the unexplained disappearances of ships and aircraft. One of the most notable cases was the disappearance of Flight 19, a group of 5 U.S. Navy torpedo bombers that vanished in December 1945 during a routine training mission. No trace of the 14 crew members or their aircraft was ever found. Another baffling incident involved the SS Marine Sulphur Queen, a tanker carrying over 15,000 tons of molten sulfur, which disappeared without a trace in 1963. The vessel and her 39 crew members were never seen or heard from again. Scientists and researchers have proposed various theories to explain these mysterious disappearances. Suggestions range from magnetic anomalies affecting navigation systems to giant rogue waves and even extraterrestrial involvement. But despite extensive investigations and advanced technology, no concrete scientific explanation has been accepted universally. The Bermuda Triangle, a maritime mystery that continues to perplex, leaves us questioning what secrets it holds beneath its waves. Though we may strive for answers, it seems the triangle isn't quite ready to reveal its enigmas just yet. The Bermuda Triangle, a maritime mystery that continues to perplex. Coming in at number 9, the eerie phenomenon known as the Taos hum. Located in the small town of Taos, New Mexico, residents and visitors alike have reported hearing a mysterious low-frequency humming sound. The hum is described as a faint, diesel engine-like drone that seems to come from nowhere and everywhere at once. Its effects on those who hear it range from mild annoyance to severe sleep disturbance and stress. What's more intriguing is that only 2% of the local population can hear it, leaving the majority clueless about its existence. Scientists and researchers have proposed various theories about the hum's origin. Some suggest it's a result of industrial equipment or military tests, while others point to tectonic activity or even covert government operations. Despite numerous investigations, however, its cause remains unknown. The Taos hum, an auditory enigma echoing unanswered questions. It's a reminder that there are still mysteries lurking in the most unexpected corners of our world. Number 8 takes us back to medieval Europe with the dancing plague. Picture this: the year is 1518, Strasbourg. People are literally dancing themselves to death. This isn't a metaphor, folks. They danced until they collapsed from exhaustion, some even perished. Theories about the cause of this bizarre plague abound, from mass hysteria to ergotism, a condition caused by consuming rye bread infected with toxic fungi. However, no theory has been universally accepted. Mass hysteria doesn't fully explain why people danced to their death, and the ergotism theory has been questioned due to the specific nature of the symptoms. So, what caused this strange phenomenon? Was it a psychological reaction to stress, a religious fervor, or perhaps a biological answer that we have yet to discover? We may never know. The dancing plague, a historical riddle that still dances around a solution. Number 7 brings us to the stars with the mysterious wow signal. Picture this: the year is 1977. A radio telescope at Ohio State University, peering into the vast cosmos, intercepts a curious signal. For 72 seconds, the Big Ear radio telescope records a powerful blast of radio waves from the constellation Sagittarius. This burst of cosmic chatter is so startling that the astronomer on duty, Jerry Amon, scribbles "wow" on the printout, hence the name, the wow signal. What makes the wow signal truly remarkable is its frequency, approximately 1,420 megahertz, a frequency that is internationally banned on Earth. It's the perfect cosmic radio channel, free from earthly interference and eerily close to the frequency at which hydrogen, the most abundant element in the universe, naturally emits and absorbs energy. But from where did it originate? Who or what sent it? For decades, scientists have pondered these questions. Some suggest it was a signal from extraterrestrial intelligence. Others propose it was merely the result of a natural celestial event, like a supernova or a comet. However, no theory has been proven, and no repeat signal has ever been detected. The WOW signal remains a cosmic enigma, a 72-second message from the stars that we cannot decipher. It's a tantalizing hint of the mysteries that lie beyond our reach in the vast unexplored cosmos. The WOW signal, a cosmic whisper from the unknown. At number 6, we delve into the written word with the baffling Voynich manuscript. A peculiar relic from the past, the Voynich manuscript was discovered in 1912 by antique book dealer Wilfrid Voynich. This cryptic codex, dated to the early 15th century, is filled with illustrations of bizarre plants, zodiac symbols, and what appear to be female nudes, all interwoven with an indecipherable text. What makes it so intriguing is its content, written in an unknown script that defies all attempts at translation. Despite the relentless efforts of cryptographers and linguists over the last century, the Voynich manuscript refuses to yield its secrets. It's a linguistic puzzle that has even stumped the best minds of World War II's codebreakers. Each page draws you deeper into its mystery, with strange diagrams and fantastical illustrations. Theories abound as to its purpose and origins. Some propose it was a medieval medical text, others suggest it may be a work of alchemy or even an elaborate hoax. But without a key to decode the text, it remains just that: theories. The Voynich manuscript is a testament to the limits of human understanding. It's a reminder that there are still mysteries in this world that resist even the most determined scrutiny. It's a book that speaks in a language that none can understand, a voice from the past that we can hear, but not comprehend. The Voynich manuscript, an unreadable testament to the unknown. Number 5 takes us back to the sea with the ghost ship, Mary Celeste. In 1872, a British-American ship by the name of the Mary Celeste was found adrift in the choppy waters of the Atlantic Ocean. The ship was in perfect condition, its cargo fully intact, and there was enough food and water on board to last 6 months. But the crew? They were nowhere to be found. Vanished, as if swallowed up by the sea itself. This wasn't a case of piracy or mutiny. The ship's logbook showed that everything was normal until the day before its discovery. The crew's personal belongings were still in their quarters untouched, yet there was no sign of a struggle, no indication of an accident or a sudden storm. And here's where it gets even stranger. The Mary Celeste was found under full sail, almost as if it were still being steered. Yet there was no one on board to steer her. It was as if the crew had simply evaporated into thin air, leaving behind a ship that was eerily undisturbed. Many theories have been proposed to explain the Mary Celeste's mystery. Some suggest that a waterspout or a seaquake might have scared the crew into abandoning the ship. Others speculate about alien abductions or paranormal activities. But despite all the theories, the fate of the Mary Celeste's crew remains an enigma to this day, a ghostly mystery that eludes explanation. The Mary Celeste, a maritime ghost story that haunts our understanding. At number 4, we look to the skies again with the Hestalen Lights. In the heart of Norway, nestled within the small valley of Hestalen, a peculiar phenomenon lights up the night sky. Known as the Hestalen Lights, these unexplained illuminations have been sparking curiosity for decades. They appear as glowing orbs, white, yellow, or red, hovering above the ground, darting around with an eerie grace or sometimes just stationary like a silent sentinel in the night. The sightings of these lights date back to the 1940s, but it was in the early 80s when they really caught the world's attention. For about 4 years, the lights appeared up to 20 times a week, casting an ethereal glow over the valley, turning night into an otherworldly day. Scientists over the years have proposed numerous theories. Some suggest they are a result of ionized iron dust, while others propose they are a mirage caused by the natural gases in the valley. There are those who believe it to be a form of plasma, or even a product of extraterrestrial activity. However, despite all these theories, no single explanation has been universally accepted. These lights, though less frequent now, continue to be a source of intrigue and speculation. They shine in the Norwegian sky, a silent mystery, a riddle wrapped in the cloak of the night. The Hestalen Lights, celestial spectacles that elude explanation. Number 3 brings us to a massive explosion with the Tunguska event. Picture this. It's the morning of June 30th, 1908, in a remote, sparsely populated area near the Tunguska River in Siberia. Suddenly, the sky lights up. An explosion, equivalent to about 15 million tons of TNT, rattles the Earth. The shockwave flattens about 80 million trees over an area of 800 square miles. But there's no crater, no meteor fragments, nothing that typically follows a meteorite impact. The Tunguska event, as it's now known, is the largest impact event on Earth in recorded history. Yet its cause remains a mystery. Initial theories suggested a meteorite, but the lack of an impact crater or meteoric remnants challenged this idea. Some proposed a comet composed largely of ice which would have vaporized upon impact, leaving no traces. Others took a more unconventional route. Ideas ranged from a mini black hole passing through Earth to an explosion of natural gas from within the Earth's crust to even an alien spaceship crash. However, none of these theories have solid evidence to back them up. Today, over a century later, the event is still a subject of debate and research. Despite advances in technology and numerous expeditions to the site, the Tunguska event continues to perplex scientists. The Tunguska event, a powerful blast from the past that confounds the present. Coming in at number 2, we face the chilling Dyatlov Pass incident. Venture with me to the frigid outskirts of the Ural Mountains in Russia, where in February of 1959, a group of 9 seasoned hikers embarked on a journey that would end in inexplicable tragedy. Experienced and well-equipped, these young adventurers were expected to return safely. Yet on February 2nd, their journey took a horrifying turn. Their campsite was discovered eerily abandoned, the tent torn open from the inside. Their bodies were found scattered across the snow, some barefoot and others in various states of undress, despite the sub-zero temperatures. The autopsy reports added further layers to the mystery, revealing no signs of struggle but severe internal injuries akin to a brutal car crash. The Soviet authorities launched an investigation, but the cause of their deaths was ultimately deemed a compelling unknown force. Theories have since swirled around, from secretive military tests to extraterrestrial encounters, yet none have provided a satisfactory explanation. To this day, the Dyatlov Pass incident remains one of the most chilling unsolved mysteries of the 20th century. The Russian government reopened the case in 2019, but the questions still far outnumber the answers. What force could drive experienced hikers from the safety of their tent into the deadly cold? Why were their bodies found in such a bizarre state, and what could inflict such injuries without leaving a mark? The Dyatlov Pass incident, a chilling enigma frozen in time. And finally, at number 1, we dive deep with the mysterious bloop sound. Let's plunge into the deep, dark abyss of the ocean, where in 1997, an unexpected and unexplained sound vibrated through the waters. This sound, now known as the bloop, was picked up by underwater microphones more than 3,000 miles apart. It was a powerful, ultra-low frequency sound that lasted just over a minute, but its source remained unknown. Scientists were baffled. The bloop didn't match the signature of any known marine animal or geological event. It was too loud, too unique. For a while, some speculated it might be the call of a giant, undiscovered sea creature, a real-life leviathan hidden in the depths. However, in 2012, the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration claimed that the sound was not from a massive sea monster, but rather the noise of an icequake, a large iceberg fracturing and cracking. Yet, this explanation hasn't satisfied everyone. Critics argue that the sound is too uniform, too organic to be just an iceberg. The debate rages on in the scientific community, as the bloop continues to be a source of intrigue and speculation. The bloop sound. It's a reminder of how much we still have to learn about our own planet, how many secrets are still hidden in the depths. It's a testament to the mysteries of the deep sea, and the unknowns that lie beneath the surface. The bloop sound, an underwater mystery that continues to echo in our curiosity. From the depths of the ocean to the farthest reaches of space, our world is filled with mysteries. We've journeyed through a list of 10 phenomena that continue to baffle even the brightest minds in science. From the eerie silence of the Mary Celeste to the inexplicable dancing plague. We've unraveled the cryptic Voynich manuscript and have been left pondering over the strange hum of Taos. Our exploration led us to the depths of the Bermuda Triangle, and then shot us into the cosmos with the WOW signal. We've witnessed the unexplained Hessdalen lights and felt the earth-shaking impact of the Tunguska event. We've tread the snow-laden Dyatlov Pass and then plunged into the ocean with the bloop sound. These mysteries serve as a testament to the infinite wonders that exist beyond our understanding. In the face of the unknown, we are reminded of the vastness of our universe and the endless possibilities for discovery. Until next time, keep wondering, keep questioning, and keep exploring the mysteries around us. We hope you enjoyed this journey into the unknown. The mysteries we've explored today are just the tip of the iceberg. There's a whole universe out there brimming with phenomena that defy explanation. Now, we want to hear from you. What are your thoughts on these mysteries? Do you have any theories or explanations? Share them in the comments below. Your insights could shed new light on these enigmas. If you found this video intriguing, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends who love a good mystery, and if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Your support helps us keep exploring the unexplained and sharing our findings with you. And speaking of exploring, you won't want to miss our next video. We'll be diving into the mysteries of ancient civilizations, from the unexplained structures of Stonehenge to the enigmatic Nazca lines. So, stay tuned for more thrilling adventures into the unknown. Remember, the world is full of mysteries waiting to be discovered. Until next time, keep exploring.